Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. To kick off my videos for 2021, I have the big dog himself. Here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is the biggest iPhone that you can buy today and also the best iPhone that you can pick up right now. In this video, let's go ahead and start talking about the features of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But before that, we need to unbox this because I have a sealed box right over here in the Pacific blue color of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let's get right into it. Let's go ahead, get this phone out, and let's start talking about the best iPhone that Apple is selling right now. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Share this video with your friends. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So here we have the box of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. At the front we have a picture of the iPhone and it's reminiscent of the color of the phone itself. So here I have the Pacific blue variant of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and even the sides say iPhone in that blue color. At the back, as usual, we have some specs as well as what is included inside. Spoiler alert, there is no charger included inside the box of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. We also get the serial number and all of those details here. So we have to break the seal and get into the box. So let's do that right now. So I'm going to place the device right here and let's do this. First things first. So here we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max box. You can see that it's quite slimmer this time when compared to previous generation boxes, and that's all thanks to the removal of the charger from the box. So when you lift it up, you find the iPhone laid very nicely, just like this. Look at this, shiny. All right, so I'm gonna lift up the device and keep that to the side for just a sec till I check out the internals. So here we have the SIM ejector pin along with an Apple sticker that we still get here, and also the user manual. So I'm gonna keep that to the side here, and then we get the Lightning to USB Type-C cable that is also included in the box. Unfortunately, there is no charger here, so if you want a charger, you're gonna have to pay a little bit more to Apple and get that. So I'm gonna leave all of this to the side here and get the iPhone 12 Pro Max to my hand. So this is the device. We have the sticker here at the front. Alright, so let's go ahead and peel off the sticker. That, and now let's go ahead, turn this baby on for the very first time, and you can see the Apple logo shining in just like this. So this is the new Pacific blue color of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. It looks pretty nice and it feels really great too. So it says hello, and we are ready to get started with the pairing process. So I'm gonna select Sri Lanka over here and then go through that. Before I set up this phone, I want to give you guys a physical overview of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Actually, so here on the side, on the right hand side, we have the power button here, and on the left hand side we have the volume rockers as well as the mute switch that is so extremely useful. We also have antenna bands on the side. At the bottom we get the speaker grills along with the lightning port, and at the top there's absolutely nothing here. If you're wondering where the SIM card tray is, that is also towards the left hand side actually of the phone, so you can put in your SIM over there. And at the back we have 4 cameras right now. We get the normal wide angle camera, the ultra wide angle camera, the telephoto camera as well as a new LiDAR camera that is placed underneath right here. We get the flasher as well as 2 microphones on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. The notch is still here at the front of the device, but if you have been using an iPhone for a long time, you're probably used to that already. But this time the drastic difference with the iPhone 12 Pro Max design is that it's more squarish, and it streamlines its design more like the iPad Pro lineup. So this device feels quite premium, but you have to be really careful with this one. Especially I would strongly suggest you to use a case, because I've even made a video about this whole topic, because it's quite expensive to fix iPhones if you break the glass. So in order to set up my iPhone, I want to bring my iPhone 11 Pro right over here, and then we get the setup new iPhone prompt over here. So if I go ahead and unlock my device, I can go ahead and set up my new iPhone. So I'm gonna connect to that, and here I just have to go ahead and hold this up like this, just like that. It's asking for me to enter the passcode, so I'm going to quickly go ahead and do that. And now it is setting up my iPhone just like this.
A few moments later.
So I'm going to set up Face Unlock right now to get started here. Just like that, we are good to go. Done. So quick start is here for me to quickly set up my iPhone. So I'm gonna just go ahead and hold up this, and now I'm finishing it up on the iPhone, so I can transfer the data from the iPhone. Here it shows the transferring times as well, but just for now I'm gonna just skip that, because I don't want to drag it up too long. So here we have to agree to all the terms and conditions, and now it's setting up the Apple ID. So I'm doing that right now. So just like this, now we have welcome to iPhone. So let's get started. We just have to swipe up just like this, and now we are on iOS 14 on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So let me go into the phone and show you guys really quickly that we are indeed on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So first things first, what I want to check out here is the improvements to the camera on the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we have the same layout over here, very familiar layout, but we have 2.5 times zoom here now on the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and the sensor is in fact 50 times bigger. So definitely we can expect some improvements when it comes to the photos. So that is what I want to mainly test on the new iPhone 12 Pro Max, as well as due to the size and the bigger battery capacity, this should definitely do better than the iPhone 12 Pro. That's also one of the main reasons why a lot of people should consider the iPhone 12 Pro Max this time. Last year it wasn't the same whether you got the 11 Pro or the 11 Pro Max. The only difference was mainly between the display size and the battery capacity, but this time around with the iPhone 12 Pro Max, Apple has changed up the camera system on the 12 Pro Max when compared to the 12 Pro. So a lot of people are leaning more towards the 12 Pro Max, because it has a bigger improvement when it comes to the camera, at least when it comes to the specs. So that's what I'm going to be testing out in the next couple of days and see whether the iPhone 12 Pro Max is really worth the extra $100 to go ahead and pick it up. So yeah, so this is the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Go ahead and let me know your thoughts, and also let me know what other videos you guys would like to see featuring the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here in Sri Lanka on Andro Dollar. So if you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this one. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and check out my channel, watch some of my past videos as well, and definitely follow me on social media for all the behind the scenes and updates from Andro Dollar right here in Sri Lanka. So that's about it, guys, for the unboxing and the overview of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. But stay tuned, because I'm going to be coming up with more videos featuring Apple's latest iPhone right here. So until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.